Hi friends, now we have Asus Vivo book laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the hinges. Because of this I am going to remove the panel and screen. I will show you how to remove the panel and what are the components will be there inside. I will show you one by one. Before this you need to smoothly remove the panel like this. Smoothly need to be removed, otherwise the panel will be broken. Like this need to be removed. After this, before removing the any components, first you need to be disconnect the battery first. Disconnect the battery connector. Smoothly need to be removed. The battery model is there here, Asus. This is the fan, and and the next disconnect the display cable. After this, remove the hinges screw one by one. And then smoothly open the hinges like this. The board and screen will be separate. Okay, this is the screen. This screen